I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain the Corsair K100 RGB Optical-Mechanical gaming keyboard. This premium device boasts incredibly fast optical-mechanical switches, providing a significant edge in competitive gaming. Its robust aluminum frame ensures durability, while the vibrant per-key RGB lighting adds a personalized touch to your setup. We'll explore its unique features, advanced technology, and ultimately help you decide if it's the right investment for your gaming needs. The K100 truly shines with its cutting-edge performance. Featuring Axon hyperprocessing technology, it delivers an astonishing 8,000 Hz polling rate, meaning inputs register 8 times faster than standard gaming keyboards. Its optical-mechanical switches offer a lightning-fast 1.0 mm actuation, giving you a competitive advantage. Plus, with full N-key rollover and 100% anti-ghosting, every command is precisely executed, even during intense gameplay. Beyond raw performance, the K100 offers exceptional design and customization. The intuitive ICUE control wheel provides convenient access to media controls and brightness settings, enhancing your user experience. You also get 6 dedicated macro keys, perfect for executing complex commands with a single press. Durable double-shot PBT keycaps ensure a premium feel and longevity, while the plush, detachable magnetic wrist rest guarantees comfort during extended gaming marathons. So, is the Corsair K100 worth the investment? For serious gamers and enthusiasts seeking a competitive edge, absolutely. Its blend of ultra-fast optical-mechanical switches, 8,000 Hz polling, and extensive customization options delivers a truly top-tier experience. While it comes at a premium price, the K100 offers unparalleled performance and features that justify the cost for those who demand the very best from their gaming peripherals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.